Water animal, crocodile, hippopotamus, dolphin, shark, starfish, jellyfish, octopus, snake, snail, crab, tortoise. Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, elephant baby calf, tiger baby calf, CUB calf, tiger baby calf, CUB, elephant baby calf, CUB, lion baby calf, CUB, fox baby calf, CUB. Deer baby fawn, FAWN, sheep baby lamb, LAMB, horse baby foal, FOAL, deer baby fawn, FAWN, donkey baby foal, FOAL, cow baby calf, CALF. Cat baby kitten, KITTEN, dog baby puppy, PUPPOY. Baby bird's name: duck baby duckling, DUCKLING, chicken baby chick, CHICK, crow baby chick, CHICK, nightingale baby chick, CHICK, woodkeeper baby chick, woodkeeper baby chick, CHICK, sparrow baby chick, CHICK, peacock baby peachick, PEACHICK, owl baby owlet, OWLET, eagle baby eaglet, EAGLET. Chicken baby chick, CHICK. Bird leaf nest, dog leaf kennel, horse leaf stable, STABLE, kennel dog leaf kennel, KENNEL, tiger leaf den, ant leaf ant hole, rat leaf hole, monkey leaf tree, honeybee leaf beehive, fish leaf pond and river, dolphin leaf sea. Transport name: bus, train, tram, taxi, ship, boat, ambulance, fire engine. What do you see? I see by my eyes. What do you hear? I hear by the ears. What do you walking? I walk by the two legs. What do you eat? I eat by my hand. What is the different color of the national flag? National flag has 3 colors: the top of saffron, the middle of white, and the bottom of green, and the middle, the wheels of national flags অশোক চক্রা, called it অশোক চক্রা। তোমরা সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দিও।